Owen is cleaning, apparently.
Guess we live in filth.
I think that maybe Mommy's been cleaning around him too much.
Oh, here, Owen. Right there, get that spot. I still see a little milk right there. Right there. Doing a good job. Keep it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got a spot right there. Right there. Good job.
I cannot even believe this.
He started cleaning Bentley the other day.
No, can't go to the fireplace.
He's gonna clean it.
Okay, let's move away from the fire. Owen, you're making me uncomfortable. Come on, let's go away. Whoop! Whoopsie daisy. Okay, clean the floor. Come on, let's go over here. You're gonna catch your rag on fire. Okay, go back over there. I am in shock. Thank you. Go clean something else.